Hi guys, my name is Lin Feng and this is the robot I made for the competition. As you all can see, this robot is in a net because it is called the drunk alien. That's right, I got in my village and I captured it so that I won't die. Now I'll be describing my robot based on its designs. This, as you can see, these two long bars are to make it balanced so that the body doesn't only turn and it can actually move. And then this, for the legs, we put this here so that when it turns, it doesn't topple over or anything. And we put the blue tag here so they can grip the ground properly. And the way I did this robot with 4 legs like that is because it can go through obstacles like this. And normal wheels can't do that.